How do you find where a number belongs, without checking every element? If target exists, return its index. If it doesn't exist, return where it should be inserted. Brute force checks every number. But the problem demands O log n. Binary search cuts the search space in half every step. 3 is less than 5, so move left pointer. 5 equals 5. Found. But what if the target is not found? Let's try. 2 is less than 3. Move right pointer. 2 is greater than 1. Move left pointer. Search ends. Left lands exactly where target belongs. Let's look at the core logic. Initialize left and right pointers. While left is less than or equal to right. Calculate the middle index. If the target is found at mid, return its index. If not, if the target is bigger than the middle value, move the left pointer to mid +1. Otherwise, move the right pointer to mid -1. When the loop ends, left becomes the insertion position. Return left. Now, let's look at the Java solution. Notice the syntax differences. Java requires explicit type declarations and uses curly braces for blocks. But the logic remains exactly the same. Return left is still the key. Each step cuts work in half.